Have you ever felt like you're praying for breakthrough, but nothing is changing? Like you're stuck in the same cycle, the same struggles, the same frustrations? What if the biggest thing holding you back isn't the devil, isn't other people, but hidden sins that are quietly destroying your future? Today, we're going to talk about 4 dangerous sins that many Christians are committing without even realizing it. And if you're guilty of even one of these, it's time to make a change. Number 1, unforgiveness. Someone hurt you. Someone betrayed you. Someone said things that left scars you still carry today. And maybe they don't even deserve your forgiveness. But here's the truth. Unforgiveness doesn't imprison the other person. It imprisons you. Every day you hold on to bitterness, you're drinking poison and expecting someone else to suffer. Jesus made it clear that forgiveness isn't optional. When you refuse to forgive, your heart becomes hard, your peace disappears, and your spiritual growth slows down. You don't forgive because they deserve it. You forgive because God forgave you. Ask yourself, who am I still holding in prison inside my heart? Number 2, no prayer. Many people say they trust God, but they rarely talk to Him. Think about that. How can you have a strong relationship with someone you never spend time with? Prayer isn't a religious ritual. It's your connection to God. Some people spend hours scrolling social media, but can't spend 5 minutes in prayer. Then they wonder why they feel distant from God. Your future cannot be stronger than your relationship with the one who holds your future. If prayer has become a last resort instead of a daily habit, it's time to return to God. Number 3, compromise. This is the dangerous one. Not because it's obvious, because it's subtle. A little dishonesty, a little impurity, a little disobedience, a little distance from God. Most people don't walk away from God in one day. They drift away one compromise at a time. The enemy rarely asks for everything at once. He just wants one small step in the wrong direction. The things you tolerate today may become the chains that control you tomorrow. Stop making peace with the very things that are pulling you away from God's purpose. Number 4, loving the world more than God. The world constantly promises happiness, more money, more attention, more success, more pleasure. But none of those things can satisfy the soul. Many people want God's blessings, but don't truly want God Himself. They chase temporary things while neglecting eternal things. One day, every earthly achievement will fade away, but your relationship with God will last forever. Don't build your entire life around things you can't take into eternity. Build your life around Christ. Final message. The good news is this: no matter which of these sins you've struggled with, God's grace is greater. Today can be a fresh start. Forgive, pray, stop compromising, choose God over the world, because the decisions you make today are shaping the future you'll live tomorrow. If this message spoke to you, subscribe and join this community as we grow closer to God together. And remember, God hasn't given up on you, but it's time to stop giving excuses to the things that are destroying your future.